Please subscribe the
Hello
channel.
everyone. In our series, the next topic is how to import the data. By we can import the data in different types, like text. We can use the text file, and we can use the CSV file. We can use the Excel file. We can use JSON file and SPSS also. So there is mainly three types which is mostly used in our program. So today I am telling you about the how to import the data. First is import the data in text file. If you have the file in dataset in WordPress and any notepad, how can you import your data in R? So this is the my I have taken the variable df. Then we can use the read dot table. There is mainly function which is use the read dot table. This is my salary data set name dot txt, and header always is true. So first we what we do, if you notice, then notice down that if I am not using the path, there is no any path, directly I use the data set name. So what we do, first go to the file, then go to this symbol, and there is a is a set as a working directory. Click there. So this is the my, if you are using your file dataset file in the desktop, then you use this path. So there is no need to mention all the path. If you have any folder name, so that time you it is necessary to give the all path. This is the only for the desktop. If your data is on the desktop, then you use this types of path. So I if we run this and view, it show the data in tabular format. This is the experience, this is the data, my data. Okay. So I only give the salary.txt directly dataset name. There is no need to give the path. Is and view is show you the data in tabular format. Second is how to import the data in Excel sheet. So first you install the package is a read Excel. So first go to the package. This is the package. Then you click the install, and then you write down the read. This is the read Excel. So I have already installed this. So first you install this, then when you install, then we need to run it. Then this is the variable. I have already take the df, so I am taking the df1, and this is the function read underscore excel. Okay. And this is the dataset name book1 dot excel ls. Yeah, xls you can also take, give the any name. And this is the structure type. Str is a structured data. Is to tell you about the data is a numeric type, num type. Salary is also num type. Is one thing also I want to tell you. If you have two three worksheet, you are using two three worksheet in Excel, and you give the name in Excel sheet name. So that time you using the, because I have not using the Excel sheet more than one, so that's why I am not giving the sheet name. Otherwise you have to give, you will have to give the name. sheet, S is capital, it's come sheet. Then you give the your sheet name, like I my sheet name is data 1, data 1, or anything which you give the. So you mention this types of sheet name also. If you are using more than one sheet name and your sheet name have any name, and you want to fetch this data, so that time it is necessary, yet you will have to give the sheet name. Okay, because I am not using the sheet name, that's why I'm give the simple data set name. Is third one is CSV file. We all are familiar about the CSV file, comma separate values. Okay, so if we run it, then second is head means is show the 5 rows and columns. So this is the 5 rows and column. So, there is also JSON file. You can also use this SPSS, because mainly there is three mainly used in our language. So that's why I'm telling you about the three important data in files. How to import this by using the text file, Excel file, and CSV file. So that's it, and thank you
Thanks
for
for watching.
watching.